Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do a bar graph in Google Docs. So you can start by open your Google document, and after that go to insert in here and find the chart. Now click on bar. Now you can see now the chart, the bar graphs will be inserted just like this. And if you want to customize it, you can just click on the graphs and here click on the three dots icon and go to open source. So Google Sheets file will be open. So this is where you can edit your bar chart or graphs. So you can just edit the data in here. Wait until it's fully opened. So in here, if you want to change the data, for example, I'm going to change the names of the data in here like this, for example. You can just change it based on your data. Okay, you can see now the bar graphs will be changed also, and you can see you can go back to the Google Docs and it hasn't been changed. So what you need to do is click on this update button, and just like that the graphs will be updated. So you can also change the theme, the style by clicking on the chart in here. Click on the three dots icon and go to the edit chart. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.